So, there are these creatures that eat humans. And to defend themselves, there are these special groups of people that fight back against these creatures to protect humanity from extinction. Now, the dynamic between these two groups shifts when one of the humans turns into one of these creatures. And this person acts as a bridge between these two worlds. And the existence of this being has you questioning who are the bad guys and who are the good guys. Is there really good and evil, or is it just about survival? And that's the theme of the entire series. That's right, I'm talking about Twilight.